This video will show you how to navigate both the Allocation of Responsibilities Map and the individuals identified in the map areas of the EnOC platform. When you first log in and click on the SM and CR icon, you will be taken directly to the Allocation of Responsibilities Map. This map acts as a directory of all the certified, senior management function, prescribed, and other responsibilities which must be allocated to individuals within the firm. The map is displayed in the form of a table, giving you the ability to filter and sort each column. As demonstrated here, to filter a particular column, you simply click on the filter icon, select your criteria, and click Filter. In this case, we are filtering the company column to only display records relating to the company named Financial Services Limited. By scrolling through the list, you can review all the responsibilities that need to be allocated to an individual or individuals, the names of the individuals assigned each responsibility, as well as their job title and the date the responsibility was assigned to them. If you only want to view certified responsibilities, you can filter the function and responsibilities column using the term cert --, which prefixes each certified responsibility. To clear a filter once applied, you just need to click on the filter icon once again and press the clear button. If you want to search the map for a specific individual, you can filter the name column to search for a name. The same goes for filtering by a specific job role. The SMF PR Cert Shared column highlights responsibilities that are shared. If a responsibility is shared with up to 3 individuals, each of their names will be displayed in this column next to the responsibility concerned. If more than 3 individuals share a responsibility, yes, more than 3 people will be displayed in this column. In order to see the full list of the individuals allocated to the responsibility, you can click the text, which acts as a link to a pop-up, which will be displayed showing the full list of individuals allocated to the role. The sort facility makes it easy to identify responsibilities that have not yet been allocated to an individual. As you can see with this example, there are currently 4 certified responsibilities and 1 prescribed responsibility that have not yet been allocated to individuals within Financial Services Limited. Now, if we turn to the individuals identified in the map screen, we will be able to review exactly the same information, but this time pivoted to be ordered by individual rather than by responsibility. As with the previous screen, all the columns displayed are filterable and sortable, and you even have the option to export the information displayed into an Excel spreadsheet via the Export to Excel button, should you require. The way the information is laid out on this screen makes it very easy to identify instances where one individual has been assigned several responsibilities. As you can see here, Nick Bridgeport has 13 different responsibilities assigned to him. To find out more about how to assign responsibilities to individuals within the platform, please watch our video entitled Adding and Allocating Responsibilities.